What is up, guys? Today I have something super special. I've been I've been waiting for this since like last year, since like early December, and I found this and I thought it was the coolest thing, something I haven't ever seen. I don't know if the title spoil it, but this is actually a die-cast model, like a little replica of my Subaru Outback, and it's almost identical. The only difference being this is not an XT model, and it is the Japanese version, so I believe it's going to be right-hand drive. It's just really cool, though. I'll show you as I unbox it here. The details are just freaking awesome. It was definitely a little pricey, but considering it's one of a couple made, I thought it was the coolest thing. It came from Hong Kong, so it took a long time to get here. And again, unfortunately, it wasn't super cheap, but shipping was definitely pretty pricey. But anyways, let's get to it. We're going to go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to show you it, and I'm excited. So let me put you guys up here, and let's get to it. Like I said, I've been waiting for this thing for the longest time, and it said it wasn't supposed to get here till like March, so honestly, I was a little skeptical, and I wasn't so sure if it was really even going to get here in general. But it's here. Styrofoam and everything. Oh, wow. Very interesting. Let's not make a mess. Yo, that's so sick. Yo, that's so cool. Look at this. It's pretty small, I'm not gonna lie, but holy crap, dude, that is so cool. It's kind of hard to see. I'll go ahead and take it out of this wrapper here in a minute. Dude, that is so cool. And it's exactly like mine. I have the amber out of the headlights. Obviously, it's not the XT, and obviously I have different wheels, but I have tinted windows and different tail lights, so I guess it's off by a little bit, but the point is, I mean, the thing is freaking cool. And I believe it's a tan interior, but very cool. This is a 3.0R 2004 Subaru Outback. You can get these on eBay, by the way. They have some really sick cars. I'm actually going to try to link a couple in the description of this video if I can. They're kind of expensive. It kind of ranges between like 50 to a couple of them are there's about 100 so bucks, depending on what car you get and the rarity and the detail. They're not too big. It's obviously bigger than a Hot Wheels, but it's kind of hard to explain. But this thing's freaking awesome. Real quick, actually, let me show you. I have another model up here. I don't know if it's the same brand, but it's this Blob Eye down there. That's also a Japanese model, and I'm not sure what kind it is, but it's definitely very similar to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the actual packaging real quick. Let me do this delicately. Hold on. I'm trying to like be very careful because I kind of want to like save the stuff. Oh, it's taped. That's why. Yeah, this is the coolest thing. Again, I know it's not like XT. They had different colors, and they had different Outbacks and Legacies. They actually had some really sick ones. That is so cool. Honestly, I'm probably not going to actually take it out of this box, at least right now, because I'm very, like, I don't know. Look at that, though. That is just crazy. And I don't know how well you can see the interior. I get this without getting glare. Look at that. The radio, the dash, the door cards even. It's all like legit. It's all legit. You know what, actually, I will open it because I need to get the wrapping off. Look at that. try to see if I can read that. That is so cool. Yeah, I'll go ahead and open it, I guess. Here's the rear end. Has the JDM bumper that we didn't get, with the nice exhaust cutouts. So yeah, let me go ahead and just open this, I guess. Since I'm already making this video, might as well, right? I want to be really careful because I obviously... Oh, that was very easy. Oh. I've never opened one of these, so I'm like trying to be very, very careful here. I want you to go flying across the room. Oh, that's why. There's these little deals over here on the side. Cutting down towards my hand. There we go. I'm not going to leave that off for long, because I don't want to get a bunch of dust in here. Oh, there's no crossbars. I thought there was going to be crossbars on the roof rails. Also, unfortunately, none of the doors or windows. I mean, yeah, none of the doors open. But that is just the coolest freaking thing. Very cool. Again, a little pricey, but very, very cool. So it does actually have tinted windows. The back ones are tinted. Huh, interesting. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you decide to get some of these, let me know. I want to see what you get. There's some really cool cars out there. They have Accord wagons, which are really sick. They had a bunch of different Outbacks and Legacies in certain colors, but obviously there's only like a couple of each available. So that's why they're pretty, I'd say, rare and definitely collectible. So that being said, hope you guys enjoyed again. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. We'll see you guys next time.